Hello? Yep. Okay. Can people even hear me? I need to join on my own side. Yup. Can people even hear me?
Yup. Can people even hear me?
Yeah, there's a little delay, but we good. Okay. Share my screen. We're in some big drawdown right now, but not much to worry about. Every trade has a value, has the reason. If we lose, we lose. I didn't even trace it on this. And 15, what we got? Even though I got a little bit of too much of an early interest. My entry was too early on this one, but that's okay. See, that's okay. Okay, so we took these lows. If we get a closure below this right here, I'm moving stop loss to break even right after that. What's going on with ES? ES ain't moving right now. Okay, we printing, we're going down. Don't worry. Okay, this is gold. Pre-market, we're mostly manipulating right now because my daily bias is not going in the sell, it's mostly a buy. You know what I'm saying? Daily bias is mostly a buy, so I know we needed a manipulation before reversal. So I think I might get the fuck out right here. You know what I'm saying? Europe. That's it. We out. Oh my god, my stupid ass fucking closed my stop loss instead of closing my fucking trade itself. Oh my god, I wanted that 1,000, bro. I wanted that Tao Tao. Yeah, I had that Tao point one. We got it. Yo, we out. Yo, Price was not playing, dog. What do we get out? That's good. We got a 207, okay? Not perfect exit, but we damn near was there. Ain't much that I missed out on, you know? This was a three pip max. I don't care, that's 150. That ain't worth risking 1 point. No, never. See, I know this motherfucker. But we are not done yet, because as you can see, we could be retracing, because that is the best position ever. The opening range breakout retest. The retest is the best one. I love it. You know? I just love the retest one. Okay, let me take this profile off. Where's the profile I got? Okay. So, is this really a retest or is this a... Ah! Yeah. If I'm gonna get in on that retest, I'm gonna wait all the way till here. Because the only thing stopping it from getting here is the M1 for Valley Gap, which are not really significant enough for me to not wait. So I'm going to wait. Ooh. If that boy closes like that, confirming this for Valley Gap, we might retest on it for next Valley Gap. 10, 24. Nah, I'd be greedy trying to get into that. Okay, let's forget about gold for now. Let's go to YM. Okay. Yeah, sorry if my face is so fucking close to the camera, bro. This is my first ever live stream, you know what I mean? First of many to come, inshallah. My daily bias on this one is bullish. The motherfucker is manipulating low, and I've been in this many times to know that this closure is it's kind of a good one, low key. So this was something I kind of got eager to get in, but we got a 15-minute closure below this line that never even went above. We got a 15-minute that closed below half of the opening range, and then it goes below the opening. That's a 15 minute. 15 minutes is a big confirmation. M5, those are one that we need a little bit more, but 15 minutes is a big confirmation. You know, 15-minute close nicely, and now I'm looking for the M5, which had already closed nicely too, with a pretty nice gap. Okay, we closed below this previous low, so I'm moving stop loss to break even because market is about to open. I am not playing with that nigga. No market open. No. We don't play with that guy. No, we move stop loss to break even. Keyology. We already below 200. Oh yeah, we closed below 200. The 200 EMA, so that's good. This can come close below the 200 EMA. I'm pushing my. Actually, nah. My daily profile is still bullish, as I can see. But this one is a little late, but no, don't matter. We're just checking the daily profile. Manipulate it. Reversal. Hasn't been a complete reversal yet, to be honest. So we can just manipulate. We could also manipulate. Oh no. Right, we got a reversal. Oh fuck, I'm stupid. I'm looking at the Asian session part of the London session, but yeah, we got a manipulation, then we got a reversal right here, and then we should get a continuation. But this guy could also manipulate right here. It could manipulate lower than that. But I'm looking for the manipulation right here. That's enough for me to get mine. You know what I mean? But if it doesn't, also, I'm good. I already got my profit. Gold. Right now, we don't risk much. We risk little to get a little. You know, it was a 1 to 1, now it's a 0 to 2. I don't know what 0 to 1 because there's nothing to compare it to, but hey. I don't like these choppy candlesticks before market open. Let me check. NQ. NQ might be looking pretty neat nowadays. There's got two different models that we can take on NQ. Whoa, that's a big ass gap. It might need to come down and fill that gap. I'm not a big. I just transitioned to NQ less than 2-3 months ago. Gold is something I've been on for about years, say maybe 3 years now. So I know gold patterns sometimes, even though it might sound crazy to think you know the pattern. But usually when gold does that big ass gap like this, it would come and fill it. But NQ, I'm not going to be gambling on that. So let's find 12 a.m. 12 a.m. This is a 12 a.m. candle. Okay, and where's the A50? Sorry, 8:30 candle. Okay, perfect. So if we keep doing this and market open below, actually between 9:25 and 9:30, if we are below this, we buy. We buy all the way up. Where's my opening range order block on the 15? Where's my opening range order block on the 15? This right here. Hi, Nick. Range order block on the 15. Okay. We gotta trace that boy down right now. I like to be more precise, so I'm good down on the 1, 8. So there's 8. What's the highest point? Here. Lowest point is here. So, and the highest point is most likely here. Yep. If I'm being honest with you, the way this nigga is retracing, I don't think we're getting to that level of liquidity before we get to stop loss. So I'm pretty sure this is the stop loss. Just don't want to close it. I'm gonna just let the trade act. Whatever gonna happen. But this 15 minute is pretty tight. Okay, perfect. So looking for a buy on that boy. I want to get the buy right here, hopefully. Okay, gold. Yeah, that boy was. Yeah, I should have got the retest, but no matter. I got 1.1. I ain't trying to do all that right now. Ooh, the other account. Yeah, I forgot to trade with that. Fuck, should have been a double fucking profit. Hey, whatever. How about ES? Completely forgot about that boy. Oh, ho, ho. I was gonna buy it. I knew that guy was gonna do that. Mm-hmm. When I see that guy coming down, I was like, okay, let's get the fuck out of that. Oh, let's get out of that. Sorry, I didn't mean to curse. I forgot that we're YouTube. Gotta bear with me. So the one we gotta keep our eyes on is Nq. Let's open the second tab so we can have YM open now. Okay. YM, if you didn't know, is US30. Just for your knowledge, okay? Are we going to get it or not? Are we going to get it or not? At 9:20, I'm moving my stop loss right here. Oh, because I'm scared. You don't know these 9:20 candles, these 9:30 candles. They don't care who the fuck you are. They tell you you're not supposed to be in a fucking trade like I told you. You're not supposed to be in a fucking trade like I told you. How much would that be as yeah. This guy close like that, we can put a stop loss right here. Third. You know? Goldie. Ooh, Goldie, you might be retracing. I don't like entries before 9:30, so we gonna wait for that. But right now, I'm already in profit. I gotta chill. Perfect. Okay, this might be the retest that we're looking for. Because this guy closed right here. This guy closed right here, confirming this fair value gap, which means this one need a retest touching the fair value gap. If you can just touch, come back down, we gonna be Gucci. Come back down, we gonna be Gucci. But if we gonna retest and then go above here, I would be out. So most likely my entry would be at 11 if I was to get back in the leg again. And the exit would be the inversion of this fair value gap or a closure inside here. You know? Okay, so it closed right here. Yeah, I think I'm not going to put stop loss, but I'm going to manually close if I see any double wick up above. Let me make sure I didn't fucking take break even off. Yeah. We don't fuck with market fucking opening. No. We don't do that. We don't fuck with market opening. Nope, can't do that. See, that's where I wanted my stop loss. If it was ready to come down, it's okay to come and retest at the top of this to make your top wick, But anything above here, you're not really looking to retest anymore. You know, you're looking to fucking switch. Cause I repeat again, market open is gambling time. Any position before market open, they're mostly gambling time, buddy. I have a position fucking cooking right here. Oh, 25. We gonna launch out, boy. We gonna move stop loss to here. Yeah. Anything below here, we out. Like that. I need to realize yes. Yes, 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 micro, yes, yes, in this bitch. Yes, 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 yes. Damn, this shit boring as fuck. I ain't even like listen to music or nothing. I'm about to put on some music, don't worry. Yeah, I don't even know how to put on music. Market is such a bitch, it'll act like, hey, I don't know how to move. I ain't even gonna move like that right now. Bitch ass nigga ain't gonna make one fucking point in a fucking minute. And then you gonna see. You gonna just. You gonna see your opening. Yo, fuck you doing, bro? I ain't never asked for that. I hate this fucking computer, bro. What is. Okay. Nq. You see the YM has just closed. This we enter off of a different position. I'll explain the position later. It's usually a 925 thing. Okay. Fuck, I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh, yeah, I was gonna check the stop loss. Yeah. This is not really the best RR, but Actually, I'd rather put it at like 400 just to make sure, but I'll close it when it's supposed to be closed. Fuck, I wish I had that one too. Fuck, I broke my rule. My rule is every fucking position is one marketing contract. I was trying to be smart and get like one little good entry, but I guess that's not happening. So the position is basically probably even more simple than the opening range breakout. So you mark out 12 a.m. and 8:30, and if 9:25 open below, if those two, if 8:30 is below 12 a.m. and 9:25 to 9:30 opens below that, you buy and put your stop loss at the below. And if it's the opposite, let's say 12 is below and 8:30 is higher, you wait for price to be higher during 9 between 9:25 and 9:30, then you short. Simple as that. And you put your stop loss at the high. Simple as that. You wait. Usually some people go all the way to London highs like here, but I don't want all that. I just want this previous NY highs. You know what I mean? And I don't really. You see how this motherfucker would have fucking switch? I mean, they're all targeting upstairs. That's what I was thinking in the beginning. It's all targeting upstairs, man. Not upstairs, but you know what I mean? Ooh, this position is much about this pretty much. It's risky and it's not really my model of creation. It's something that works that I've been taking, but you know, we go de-risk. That 9:30 open is going to happen soon, very soon. Just I hope the chat is not here. Oh, yeah, the chat is here and I'm cooked. Huh? Well, that'd be so good. Let's check the M1 if we're not taking any higher though. What's this boy? Ooh, took the high. Okay. Took this high. I'm going to stop loss break in. You know? Just to be safe. You can't fucking play with the profit. In the day, once you're in profit already, especially on a fucking funded account, you don't fuck with the profit. You don't. I've learned that the hard way. Don't fuck with the profit. Keep trading if you want. Don't fuck with the profit. Don't. Mm-mm. Anything that you can move stop loss to break even, move stop loss to break even. Doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. You see this boy? I'm gonna stop loss. That motherfucker would have came to my entry. What? I know these guys. I know these guys. They are slimy balls. You see this 9:30 open? This could also wick back down. It could just be a retest and the whole daily profile could be wrong and wick back down. Or we can just whoop to fucking take profit right now. You know? Where the fuck is take profit right now? You see my girl? You see my girl? You see my girl? You see my girl? You see? You see? You see? I'm such a slimy guy. You cannot trust. I'm wondering right now if I just fucking should take my profit. Because this right here is fucking crazy. You know? Could you speak respecting that? Yeah, it's gonna respect it. You're gonna risk a little bit more because it's 9:30 open, so I'm not trying to get into that candle wick. But if it's gonna take it, it's gonna take it. You see this right here? I don't like this. You know? This is what I don't like about this position. This my other position, I would have so many other confirmation. It would make me be like, yeah, the range is not the only thing that matters. But this right here, bro, this M5 code, if this M5 code like this is confirming that it's respecting this range, you know what I'm saying? Let's check the M1. Yeah, you see, I don't like it. 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 I need an M5 closure before I get out of my position, but I don't like it at all. You know? Because this could all be just a wick down. And we're actually heading up. Or it could be the real wick down. I mean, yeah, performance column. This is a very minor thing. Even if we lose, we're not even losing. Our 1K status. Yes. Every one of these guys are. See this right here? This is why I'm. Whoa. I don't like it. No, I don't want to close. Because I see US30 is respecting. US is respecting. Because scanner rate hasn't closed about the bullish engulfing candle that we just got. You know? So they're all respecting. Why would NAS 100 not respect? If this nigga doesn't golf this, though, we're cooked. That's what I can sense happening already. I mean, they're all moving up, actually. Ooh, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. You know what, bro? Okay. Let's see what we do here. Oh, that M5, M3. Oh, M5 too. Let's see how the 15 is. The 15 is holding too. You know what? I think it's time to fucking go. Yeah. Any type of reversal, I'm not risking nothing again. I can't risk my profit. Such a silly guy. But you cannot trust me. You know what? You know what? You're winning. You're winning everything today. I am not gonna lose. No, I am not losing. Fuck that. I think I'm out of the market because the market is trying to pimp me out. Ooh, gold. Gold is there. Gold is there. Gold is there. Okay, an entry right here. The thing is, we got the first breakout and we never came back down. What the fuck did I just do? I'm such a slimy guy, but you cannot trust. Okay, my entry should be right here. If I was to enter right here, we're going very light on it, very demure. Mm-hmm. We got a nice entry. We're gonna retest this. I know it. I know it will most likely retest that. Go ahead, go retest it. I'll wait. Because if this is really bearish, it will retest here, then come down. But any closure above this range, we're cooked. You know what I mean? Oh, let's see what NQ would have been. Nope. You see? Perfect exit. Niggas were drawing. Niggas wicking back up. I'm out of that. I'll wait for the fucking actual entry. Because I got in a little too early. You know what I mean? I don't like those entries. Capital protection 101. Capital protection 101. Capital protection 101. Yeah, I'm waiting. See? Perfect. Wick down. Back up. It could come down from here. But I definitely know it's this. We need to protect capital. We just need to. You know what I'm saying? We just need to. Hold on. Let me check ES. ES has. Okay, hold on. Let me check. YM. Yo. Okay, NQ might be coming back up though. Yep. Choppy market. I think I'm out for the day, bro. Yeah, that's good. First trade. First live trading session was pretty fulfilling. I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Even though I'm seeing myself and I'm the only one in this life. But one thing I'm gonna say is I started this. I don't know how long it's going to take, where it's going to take me, how far this is going to go, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it each and every single day and try to get better at it each and every single Try to get better at it each and every single day. Peace.